Right, hello everyone. Just a little update. Since I've welded up all the exhausts, with the heat that got put into the manifold flange, that's bowed a little bit. So I'm just taking a skim off, just to make sure they're all dead level. That runs from about 0.01 to about 0.04, just under half a mil side to side. But trouble is, if you don't do it, that's hard to seal the damn thing, and you can't put enough pressure on the bolt. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for some more exhaust tube to come. I was going to use the 90 degrees for the other side, but it doesn't look right, so I've ordered some more. I think these were 135, so I've ordered some more of them, so they look even both sides of the engine. So anyway, so I haven't started the other side yet. I've done the main pipe through to the back. Oh, and I'll show you I can't leave this for a minute. So anyway, I'll be back later. Cheers for now. Okay, welcome back everyone. Finally she's done. I think whatever happens, the engine will breathe a bit easier now. Let's see if I can get you underneath to have a look. I'll take you around the back first. Literally just finished doing it. There's the over the axle pipes, and then that goes down there. It's a bit difficult to see. See if I can zoom in a bit. There's a collector. Right, we'll get it down off the stands and put some water in it and see what she sounds like. Back in a bit. Right, I'll put the bonnet on and everything in a minute. I've just got to do the water. So anyway, let's see what she sounds like. Bit awkward in this enclosure, but it'll give us an idea. There you go then. I'll let it warm up, do the water, and then retune the engine, because the exhaust will make it run a bit different. Thanks for watching, see you soon.